and today we are making savory cake. If you like our recipes, please don't forget to subscribe and like our recipes and push the bell icon. A list of ingredients is given here and in the description box. You can use either a baking powder, 1 teaspoon, or baking soda. And here we are whisking 3 eggs. We add 1 cup of milk to it, and then add 1 cup of flour. Once once it's whisked, leave it for a little bit to dissolve all the little balls that haven't dissolved. It'll mix well. And then the pancake batter, it should be like a pancake batter. Add the salt and baking soda. We are using boiled potatoes chopped, green onions, red or green bell pepper, mint, cilantro, chopped white onion, a handful. And we can also use chopped crushed red pepper and or pepper powder. Grease the pan, add half the batter to it, and then cover it with cheese if you want. You don't have to use the cheese if you don't want to. And then spread the other half on the cheese, and then cover and cook until the bottom is like medium brown, and flip it and cook the other side. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to us. And here's done. And you can slice it and let us know how you like the recipe. And let me know when you try it. It's delicious.